Wait, I didn't forgot what I was trying to do.
Are you serious?
Okay.
I started a new video.
Oh, okay.
It's because the old one had gotten way too long.
Yeah.
Soon. Wait, no. What did you do?
What? Do you mess up this cube again?
That must have been the one you popped. Fuck. I need a cube. That must have been the one that you popped.
Yeah, the one that you...
Yeah, this must have been the one that you popped. Because I grabbed it out of my bag scrambled.
Oh, okay.
And I never leave cubes scrambled unless they've been popped. And I know you popped this cube like 1,000 times.
More like 3, maybe.
Huh? 3,000?
No, like 3. Just 3. 1, 2, 3. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. Oh, I hate Spanish. Okay,
That would be 6 times.
Sí. Yo sé.
You should know full PLL. That would have been a really good solve if you did.
Ah, what did I do? I did that again.
Are you serious?
Fuck. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm giving you the yellow cube that you really like.
Ah, I hate this.
Here's my yellow cube. See, now it's a matter of principle, isn't it?
Yes. I can solve a Rubik's Cube, people.
Take 30, cube 3. I'm scrambling.
This one's popped. I'm gonna like
kill someone.
and I'm just gonna like kill all your cubes.
And you'd owe me a lot of money.
But you would owe me my pride.
What, so like 15 cents?
And
Oh! But X cross for the win. If this cube is popped too, I'm gonna laugh really hard.
$37.94, second best time.
Really?
There we go.
Alright. Good job. You finally happy with your solve?
See, yes, I can solve a Rubik's Cube and decently well.
Alright, now I get to leave your house and get food.
Okay, good.